and gentlemen, and welcome to the United Nations International Pageant Finals. Give them a round of applause. Welcome, my panel of judges. Thank you so much for coming. Good to see you, Wendy. Before I move forward and tell you a little bit about our pageant and bring you up to speed as to where we are in the sequence of events for our international final, I would like to say a very special thank you to the management of the Grand Palladium, who have graciously allowed us to utilize their venue for our pageant. Special thanks go to you, Mr. Go, Assistant Manager of the Entertainment. He's worked with us very closely to make this a tight-knit show. Now, for those of you who have just arrived at the Grand Palladium for your vacation, you will find out soon enough that every evening there is a different show on this stage. And the dancers are fantastic. The ballet troupe of the Grand Palladium is one of the most talented, concentrated group of individuals I have ever met. It's an honor to be on stage with them. Now, they had a show previously scheduled, and they've worked us into the show. So while our contestants are changing backstage, the dancers will be on stage. While the dancers are backstage changing, our contestants will be on stage competing.